Peace and wellness, family. Yo, I told y'all I was going to be sharing more about healthy vegan meals that you can implement, inexpensive vegan meals that you can implement into your daily lifestyle. Now, in this video, I am going to be sharing some ingredients in different items in the grocery store, and this was just like a quick trip. I wanted to show you what's real. Sometimes it gets real raw when you're trying to stay committed on a plant-based or vegan food plan. Okay, so sometimes it's not gonna be like everything is not gonna be pretty, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, you got to stay committed and disciplined and know that this is the lifestyle that you're gonna be living throughout the rest of your life. So you have to start paying attention and doing things a little differently, looking at labels, looking at ingredients, looking at what kind of chemicals is in your food, and also budgeting. You know what I'm saying? Eating healthy don't always have to be expensive. Okay, like that's a myth, and I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna break it down in this video, so stay tuned. Hopefully you get some value from it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. All right, make sure you subscribe so I can keep on bringing y'all this content, and I appreciate y'all. Peace. Yo, peace and wellness to the family. Yo, check this out. We're gonna attempt to make a lentil vegetable pasta. I'm not gonna call it ziti because I didn't use any cheese this time, but we're gonna attempt to make this. I want y'all to pay attention to how you shop fresh, go to the produce, how to pick your produce. We're gonna do some price gauging and all of that, look at some ingredients and all that, but I really want y'all to pay attention to how I put this meal together. How improvise, how you get sidetracked, maybe they don't have something but you still go with a different type of item that might taste just as well. It's okay, it's cool. Everything don't gotta go smooth every time, especially when you're just trying to grab something and get it going to get you a good, wholesome, plant-based vegan meal. Peace. Okay, first up, we gotta get the sauce first. Okay, so I'm looking at sauce. First thing we're gonna look at is the ingredients. Look, everything looks fresh on here. This brand is called Silver Palette. Never heard of it, but it looks good. Fresh everything. No citric acid, no chemicals. That's very important. It's priced at around $3.89. Kind of pricey, but worth it for what you're getting. All fresh ingredients. Let's go. Okay, y'all know I do this, right? So I got to expose these companies and corporations that are trying to put poison into our body. Pray go, do not buy off brand names because these is the ones that's trying to kill us. Yes, I said it. They are trying to kill us. As you can see here, they have genetically modified organisms in their food, meaning that the genetic technology, a gene is inserted into the DNA of a single cell, and as the cell divides, the gene will be in every cell. So what do you think this is doing to your DNA? And it's just fake food. It's not real, okay? Just to put it in brief summary. I'm not going to get into the ingredients. You see the sugar and all the other BS that's inside of this Prego. We are not going with this. This is not an option. And please, y'all pay attention to the ingredients in y'all food. Thank you. Okay, here we go. I initially wanted to get some lentils, but it looks like at this food line that I'm at, they don't have any lentils in stock. Okay, this is a situation where we have to improvise. So I'm going to go with field peas. Field peas is a really good choice. They have like a meaty texture once you cook them down and put them in that sauce. And they also have a lot of protein. They have 10 grams of protein. And right here, I compared it to the black beans. As you can see, they only have 7 grams. So right here, you can do a comparison on if you want a high protein, and they're very good for fiber as well. So right here, as you can see that, just doing a little comparison in items. Here you go. Okay, you gotta pick up your portobello mushrooms. Check this out. Portobellos are very electric, and they're good for your gut flora. Also, they're good for fiber and a good source of potassium salt. Then here we have, look at the price changes right here. You can get 2 portobellos for the $1.69, but the baby bellas are expensive, like $5. So that's a better choice with the portobellos, and you're gonna get a better meal out of it. So just think about that when you're shopping for your plant-based meals and you're looking for a meaty texture. Okay, now here is the wrap up. Now check here, y'all see the items that I got. I actually got some extra items that I know that I'm gonna need to get me through the week, okay, not just for the meal. But I did that because this is kind of like how you meal prep shop. All right, listen, if you want to learn how to eat throughout on the daily on a vegan plant-based meal, this is how you do it, guys. Pay attention to the items that I got. I got my oat milk here. I got some red potatoes. I got my ingredients that I needed to make my lentil pasta that I had to substitute for field peas. I also have some granola that I'm going to be using for my oatmeal in the morning. And also I got my red onion and a few other things. So just take a look at this, all that I got and what I can make throughout the week with this. And my receipt is only $22.39. $22.39 I got for all these items that I can spread out throughout the whole week and have food for at least a week to a week and a half. Breakfast, I can have a meal. I have a meal throughout the week for each meal of the day. What I mean by that is I have a meal throughout the week for breakfast. I have a meal throughout the week for lunch or dinner. Okay, so pay attention to what I got right here, guys. This is real essential to going and moving forward in your new food plan. Okay, here come the fun part. We about to start cooking. I had some leftover zucchini. You see it there, some onion, red pepper, and I portobello right there. It's electric. Here we're going to cut it up. You see the portion sizes, little quarters. You see what's going on right here. Got the zucchini all cut up. I like to start off in this skillet pan to get my veggies real hot. You hear the sizzle. Got some pepper about to grind up in there. Pepper, seasoned salt, and I got some pink Himalayan salt, basil, onion powder, and I got some chickpea penne. Chickpea penne is real good. Trying to stay better on the starch. Trying to stay low on the starch. So I got chickpea noodles, and I got my field peas boiling, and I got my veggies going in my skillet pan to get them real hot and sauteed up real good. You know what I'm saying? Boom, onion powder right there. About to hit it with that. You know what I'm saying? And then I transfer it into my saute pan from the skillet. That's what I like to do. I don't know about y'all. Y'all can do it the way y'all want. Now I'm going to go with the non-GMO tomato sauce in there, and I'm gonna stir it up real good. I got my garlic. I had some garlic in there too, so that garlic's gonna get it real nice and flavored. Some people don't agree with the garlic, but the garlic is actually a real good microbiome for your gut health. You know what I'm saying? The alkaline vegans don't really like it, but hey, it is some benefits in it. Hear that sizzle in that sauce? Definitely. That butter right here is a good brand. If you're looking for the brand, I'll put it in the comments below. Got some garlic toast going right there. You see that? Boom. I'm gonna hit it with some more onion powder. I put my field peas in the sauce too. I'm stirring that up. About to hit it with the chickpea noodles soon. I let that sizzle for about 10-15 minutes. Let it cook down. Got my chickpea noodles in there. You know what time it is. About to stir that up. That's going to be real good. Boom. There you go. I got the pasta already made. Sizzle. You see that large portion. That's going to get me through the week. This is a really good meal and filling meal, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I will have some more coming to y'all soon.